Does the sun moves and goes away?
Yes.
Where it goes?
To another country. இங்க அப்படி நடிச்சுப்பீங்க
நினச்சிப்பேன் அதெல்லாம் என்ன? Hello friends!
Hello friends, welcome to Chiku Buku.
Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to make a very funful art. Most of us would like to play in sand and especially kids. So in today's artwork we are going to use sand and also the Rangoli powder, which is also called kola podi in southern India. Let's see what are the materials that we need for today's artwork. 8x10 canvas board, ice cream stick to apply the glue, a color pencil, scissor, glue, cello tape, coffee filter to spread the Rangoli powder, 3 different shades of blue Rangoli powder and white Rangoli powder and the beach sand. So today we are going to make a beach art. So let's divide this canvas board into 3. I hope you can see it in the camera. So now we have divided this canvas board into 3 equal parts. It need not be very perfect, an approximation is okay. So I'm going to draw some random curves at the bottom line. This is what we are going to do. The below part we are going to fill it with the sand, and the middle part is going to be the water, the ocean, and the top part is going to be the sky.
Yes.
Okay. So Nilakati, what do you like to do in beach?
I like to play and swim and build a sand castle and like to dig.
You like to dig sand?
Yes.
Okay.
And dig, and I like to run and play on the mud.
You like to play in the sand?
Yes.
Beach sand?
Yes. And I love to throw the sand.
Do you like to collect shells?
Sure I do. And frogs too.
Frogs?
Rocks.
Rocks. Okay.
Do you hear frog?
Yes, I heard. Can you show some of your collections?
Sure.
Wow, you have so much shells.
I do, but I have more than this inside this.
Oh, you have more inside? That's so beautiful. And you have rocks too. Let's do some rock painting some other day, okay?
Okay, but rock painting is going to be fun.
Yes.
And colorful.
Yes. Now we are going to stick the 2 strips of cello tape, one from this side and one from this side, in the middle section of the board. To show more visible in the video, I'm using the black tape. So stick a little bit extra on the side, so at the end when we take it off it will be easy. Now we are going to start applying the glue in this middle section between the tapes.
Can I do it?
Yes, you can do it. And you can spread the glue using the ice cream stick like this.
Can I?
Yes. So it evenly spreads. So we are going to use the lightest blue color. Spread the Rangoli powder using the coffee filter so that it gets spread more evenly. Leave it for a couple of minutes undisturbed and then slightly turn the board so the excess powder falls. Let's follow the same step for the next strip. This time we are going to use the next shade of blue. So leave it undisturbed for a couple of minutes and then tilt it.
Amazing.
It's amazing. Now let's do the beach part, the beach sand part.
And we want shells too.
Yes, let's stick the shells at the end. The reason we did the middle water part first because it's the darkest out of the 3 sections of the bowl, so it doesn't get mixed up with the sand and the sky part.
Yes, that's true.
Now spread the sand on the bottom section of the bowl. So in case the sand falls in any of this blue section, you can remove it using the brush gently. Tell me this, have you seen any fish or any sea life in the water?
Sure, I see any sea life. I see a dolphin. Dolphin is a good fish because it helps people.
Oh, it's so friendly?
Yes.
Yes.
And it helps people.
Yeah, it's friendly, but still they are
In the ocean.
animal. Yeah, and we have to be cautious. We still have to maintain our distance.
Yes.
Okay?
We cannot
So what else? Yeah, that's correct. What else have you seen? Have you seen small fishes?
No.
No?
No.
I had an experience where small fishes come and bite your legs. It's so tickling.
That's too funny.
And I've also seen crab.
Crab snapping their finger.
No, I didn't go close to it. I see it from far. And I've seen shark one time.
I see in the sunset.
Oh, you have seen sunset?
Yes, it's amazing.
Yes, I too love it.
Me too.
What happens during the sunset?
It is rainbow.
It's rainbow? No.
No, it is colorful.
Yes, the sky is so colorful when sunset
amazing.
happens. Yes, that's correct. But what happens really during the sunset? Does the sun moves and goes away?
Yes,
Where it goes?
to another country.
Yes, it goes to a different part of the earth. But when we see, do you see the sun going down into the water during the
Yes.
sunset?
Yes.
As if the sun moving into the water.
Yeah.
So can we add some shells?
Sure, and some rocks. And some shovels.
Okay. Here you go. Now, what else can we add? What do we take to the beach?
Shovel.
Shovel. Okay. Some molds.
Molds. Some stars.
Okay. So let's add more colors to our beach. என்னடா பண்றீங்க?
நான் பண்ணல.
ஒண்ணும் பண்ணலையா? சும்மா தான் உட்காந்துருக்கியா?
ஆமா.
சரி, நான் கூட பீச் சாண்ட்ல விளையாடுறியோன்னு நினைச்சேன்.
நீங்க அப்படி நினைச்சுப்பீங்க.
நினைச்சு அதெல்லாம் என்னது? If you like our videos, please
like, share and subscribe. Art is fun. Fun is the most important. We meet in the next video. Bye.
bye.